So let us deal with an example based on mass percentage. Suppose if question is given that find out the weight of solute present in 60 ml of 30% solution by volume of NaCl. We have 60 ml 30% NaCl solution by volume, and we need to calculate the weight of solute, that is weight of NaCl present in it. Now how we proceed? So we say that since solution is 30% by volume, it means 30 grams NaCl, 30 grams NaCl is present in 100 ml of solution. 30 gram is present in 100 ml of solution. So we can say since 100 ml solution contains 100 ml of solution contains, so 100 ml of solution contains 30 grams of NaCl. Therefore 1 ml of solution will contain 30 by 100 grams of NaCl. Therefore 60 ml of solution will contain 30 by 100 into 60, that is 18 grams of NaCl. So the amount of NaCl in this would be 18 grams. Now if I discuss one more numerical, question goes to find out the weight of KCl present in 70 ml of its 40% solution by mass. Find out weight of KCl present in 70 ml of 40% solution by mass if density of solution is 1.2 grams per ml. So how we will solve it? We know that since density is equal to mass by volume, or we can say volume is equal to mass by density. Volume is equal to mass by density. Now mass of the solution, since we have been given by mass, it means it is 100 grams of solution. So mass of solution is 100, density as given in the question is 1.2. So this would be the volume. 100 grams of solution means 100 upon 1.2 ml of solution. So we say that since solution is 40% by mass, solution is 40% by mass, so we can write since 100 grams solution contains, it is 40% by mass, that is 40 grams KCl present in 100 grams of solution. So since 100 grams solution contains 40 grams KCl, or we can say if we convert this mass into volume, so 100 grams means 100 upon 1.2 ml. I said 100 upon 1.2 ml. So 100 gram solution contains 40 gram KCl, or 100 upon 1.2 ml solution contains 40 grams KCl. So this much mass 100, and this is the volume. Therefore 1 ml of the solution will contain, so 40 by 100 into 1.2 grams of KCl. Therefore 70 will contain, so 70 ml of solution will contain 40 by 100 into 1.2 into 70 grams of KCl. So this is how we can calculate the mass percentage with respect to volume, with respect to mass, with respect to volume, with respect to mass. Now in the same way, suppose if we are given question based on mass percentage, further the further mass percentage calculation if we discuss. Now mass percentage is also represented as, mass percentage is also represented as, mass percentage is also represented as mass of solute upon the mass of solution into 100. It is mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100, or we can say mass percentage is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solute plus mass of solvent, which is mass of solution, into 100. So these are two formula through which we can make the further calculation based on mass percentage. Suppose if a question is given to us, a question given a saline solution with a mass of 355 grams has 36.5 gram of NaCl, what would be the mass percentage concentration? How we can solve it? So we know that mass percentage is equal to mass of solute upon the mass of solution into 100. The mass of solute given is 36.5. Mass of solution as given is 355 into 100 gives you the mass percentage concentration, which is 10.3%, which is 10.3%. So this is how we can calculate the mass percentage. Suppose if one more question based on the same concept is given to us, one more question based on the same concept. The concept goes, question is that find out the solute needed to prepare 300 grams of 5% NaCl solution. Find out the solute needed to prepare 3000 grams of 5% NaCl solution. So we know that since mass percentage is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100, or if we substitute, we can write mass percentage into mass of solution upon 100 gives you mass of solute. So what would be the mass percentage? It is 5. Mass of solution as given is 3000 upon 100 gives you mass of solute. So using this formula, that mass percentage is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100, we can calculate the mass percentage of given solution.